Suprabhatam friends, welcome to my channel Plants and Me. This is Dr. Sridevi from Mangaluru, Karnataka, India. Amazing nature. I had bought a few tubers. I kept them in this pot and I forgot about it. But without any medium, these tubers have sprouted. I did not know what these tubers are. I kept them thinking that I will repot, but somehow I think these went somewhere in the corner and I couldn't repot, and these have sprouted. The leaves, they are suggesting that it is Costus speciosus. This is a wild species growing in South Karnataka, Dakshina Karnataka. The leaves are not aromatic, so 100% this is Costus speciosus. And amazing thing is the roots have come out of the drainage hole. There are two pots. Look at the network of the roots. Beautiful, wonderful this is. I am going to pot them in this 14-inch pot. They are tubers, so they require space to put out tubers. I'll be putting them in that pot. It's a tuber, so the potting mix should be well draining and a little on the sandy side, because if the potting mix retains water, the tubers will rot. That is why I am taking equal quantity of garden soil and sand. So this is the garden soil and I am adding sand. This is the sea sand. It is wet because it rained. There are big pebbles in it. I'll remove that. So this is equal quantity of potting mix, that is garden soil and sea sand. To this I am adding vermicompost. It is a rhizome, so they are heavy feeders. They like a lot of nutrition. Unless the nutrition is proper, they won't produce new tubers. The tubers need to store food material, and for that we need to supply good amount of nutrition to the plant. I am now mixing these three. I'll now add to this the potting soil is coming out because it has got large drainage holes. I will cover these drainage holes with a carton paper. I have covered the drainage holes. I could have covered it with this coconut chips also. I saw it now anyway. Now I will be pouring this mix into the pot. The rhizomes have already sprouted, so I need to calculate at what height I should keep those rhizomes. I have filled almost the whole pot. Only about 4 inches space is remaining. I would now put these rhizomes. Oh my god, they have fixed themselves. This root network may not come, a little bit of it may come. So I have placed it in the center. Now I will be filling the pot with the remaining potting mix. I required quite a bit of potting mix. So this is done now. I have filled the pot with the remaining potting mix. In the wild, this plant grows on the roadsides. It doesn't require any care at all. I have put vermicompost, but that also is not required. What is required is a well-draining potting mix. In the wild, it grows on cliffs. Mangalore is full of hills and cliffs. So it grows on cliffs where the water drains off. This actually loves rainy season. In rainy season, these tubers come back to life. Otherwise, in other seasons, the plant is not visible anywhere. In rainy season, this springs back to life. In rainy season, it grows so much, it gives white flowers with red veins. Beautiful red, white flowers with red veins or maroon veins. This is an Ayurvedic drug, in fact. That's why I brought these tubers. It was growing somewhere on the roadside. Those tubers only I brought. It is called as Costus speciosus. Its tubers are used in medicine. Water requirements. It doesn't require daily watering. It's a tuber. It can be watered once in 1 week or 10 days. Sunlight requires full sun. It loves rainy season. So in rainy season this will grow again. Very well it will grow. It will put out more branches, more tubers. But it loves full sunlight. Nutrition. I have put vermicompost. That will be enough for it to grow. Other than that, it doesn't require any nutrition. In fact, it's a no care plant. You plant it and forget it. That's about the potting of Costus speciosus. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye.